If you're also facing an issue that is called blurry images on your Shopify, so whenever you will try to log into your Shopify account, on the home page you will see all images are blurred and you cannot see them directly. So this may be due to the internet connection, because whenever your internet connection is disturbed or whether it is slow, you will see blurred images and they are not properly downloaded or be searched on your device due to the internet connection. This is my Spotify account here. I can simply log into my account, but I'm not facing any issues like you're facing right now. So I'm just telling you that how you can solve the issue if you're facing the blurry option or the blurry image issue on your Shopify. Now, this is my Shopify page here. What I have to do is I will simply just disconnect it. I will close the tab, and here I will search for the Wi-Fi network connection and check if I have connected with a better network Wi-Fi, and then I will check that if I'm connected to a strong network. Then if you face a problem still, you can simply restart your PC, and after when you will do all this, you can see that there is no issue or anything like that. So this is just due to the internet connection. Make sure you're connected with a good internet, and if not, refresh your device. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.